Good morning, children. Let me see one problem. Example 6.46. Show that the two lines are equation of straight lines. Okay, children, are coplanar. Also find the non-parametric form of vector equation of the plane containing these lines. Containing lines means we can take points plus vector. So we have 2 points, 2 vector. So 2 points, 2 vector means we have no formula to solve this problem. So that we can take any one point, 2 vectors. Either you can take this point, 2 vectors, or this point, 2 vector. Okay, children, let me see the problem. First, you write the given data. R vector equal to the given equation. You compare the given equation with R vector equal to A vector plus S into B vector. You compare these two. A vector value is minus I vector minus 3J vector minus 5K vector. B vector value is 3I vector plus 5J vector plus 7K vector. And another straight line equation you compare with R vector equal to C vector plus T into D vector. So C vector value is 2I vector plus 4J vector plus 6K vector. D vector value is I vector plus 4J vector plus 7K vector. After that, we show that the given lines are coplanar, so that I write the condition for collinearity. C vector minus A vector dot B vector cross D vector equal to 0. First, you find B vector cross D vector. Listen, children. B vector cross D vector equal to determinant I vector, J vector, K vector. B vector value 3, 5, 7. Okay, children, 3, 5, 7. Next, D vector value 1, 4, 7. Determinant value. So next you expand I vector into 5 sevens are 35 minus 4 sevens are 28 minus J vector into 3 sevens are 21 minus 1 sevens are 7 plus K vector into 3 fours are 12 minus 5 ones are 5. So totally 7 I vector minus 14 J vector plus 7 K vector. This is B vector cross D vector value. Can you understand, children? Next, we find C vector minus A vector value. C vector value is 2I vector plus 4J vector plus 6K vector minus A vector value is minus I vector minus 3J vector minus 5K vector. Next, you multiplied by minus 2I vector plus 4J vector plus 6K vector plus I vector plus 3J vector plus 5K vector. Next, you add I vector, 2I vector plus I vector, so 3I vector, 4J plus 3J, totally 7J vector, 6K vector plus 5K vector, 11K vector. So next, C vector minus A vector dot B vector cross D vector value. We verify this value is 0 means the given lines are coplanar. Just you substitute C vector minus A vector value, B vector cross D vector value. So C vector minus A vector 3I vector plus 7J vector plus 11K vector dot B vector cross D vector 7I vector minus 14J vector plus 7K vector. So multiply 3I vector to I vector dot product. Okay, so I vector to I vector, J vector to J vector, K vector to K vector. 3 sevens are 21. This plus minus, plus into minus, minus 7 into 14, 98. Plus into plus, plus 11 into 7, 77. There are two plus values, 21, 77. Totally 98 minus 98. So totally 0. What is the meaning? Therefore, given lines are coplanar. Next, also find the non-parametric form of vector equation. We know that, just to write the formula, we know that the non-parametric vector equation of plane. What is the formula? There are two formula. R vector minus A vector dot B vector cross D vector equal to 0, or R vector minus C vector dot B vector cross D vector equal to 0. So any one formula you take. R vector minus A vector, just to substitute A vector value. A vector value minus I vector minus 3j vector minus 5k vector. Minus 3j vector minus 5k vector. Just put a bracket sign. Next, B vector cross D vector value. We already find out B vector cross D vector value. Minus 7i vector plus 7i vector minus 14j vector plus 7k vector. Just to substitute here, 7i vector minus 14j vector plus 7k vector equal to 0. Next step, this dot value is multiplied in two values. R vector dot, just to multiply R vector, this two value you multiply. So R vector dot 7i vector minus 14j vector plus 7k vector. Can you understand, children? Next sign is minus. You put minus sign. So minus I vector minus 3j vector minus 5k vector dot 7i vector minus 14j vector plus 7k vector equal to 0. Next, you do the dot product. Second term, first term, second term, you just multiplied I vector to I vector, j vector to j vector, k vector to k vector. Minus into plus, minus 7. Minus into minus, plus 42. 3 into 14. Okay, children? Minus into plus, minus 3, 5 into 7, 35. So R vector dot 7i vector minus 14j vector plus 7k vector. The total value is 0. Verify, children. Minus 7 minus 35 minus 42 plus 42. So total is 0. So this is the answer. Can you understand, children? Thank you.